Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning. We got a really heavy rain last night, so I'm going to come outside and I'm going to move my hosta because we have a whole nother afternoon full of rain. I'm so excited, so excited. See you in a second. These are the hostas that I mentioned in my other video. They've just been hiding behind this boxwood here for years, and every time the maintenance crew comes through, they weed whack it down to the ground. So today they're going to have their lives saved and they're going to be part of the garden here. Oops, that's a wide span. There we go. See, this is a variegated hosta. Hi, this is a variegated hosta. I love when it's the dark green in the center and it's that, lime kind of chartreuse on the outside. These look so pretty here. That's it. It was a quick job. We do have rain coming later, but I want to make sure that I get these a good healthy soak in the ground here. So, because we've got at least another week after today where it's going to be like nothing but dry and hot again. So it's important I get these in. It's important I get them soaked, and that way they can get all the nutrients from the rainwater later. One thing I do want to talk about with my soil here is actually excellent. This garden has not been maintained as long as I've been living here. I've been at this address for about 3 years now. But every year they lay a thick layer of manure over all of our gardens down here in Tennessee. And so we've had just year after year of just the manure breaking down the soil. So it's just awesome. I really expect everything here to do well. So the manure has kept all the weeds out. It's really been an ideal situation for a beginner gardener. Though I'm not really a beginner, it's my first garden in a long time. But thank you for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Toodles!